Why do Python developers write self everywhere? Look at this code, class person. Then inside it, self.name, self.age, self.something. But wait, what even is self? Why do we keep writing it again and again? And what happens if we remove it? Here's the weird part. Most beginners think self is just some random Python keyword, but it's not. Self is simply a reference to the current object. That means when you create a new object from a class, Python uses self to know which exact object you are talking about. For example, imagine we create two different people. One is Ollie, and the other is Sarah. Now Python needs a way to know which name belongs to which person. That is exactly where self comes in. When we write self.name, Python understands that this name belongs to the current object being created. So when we create Ollie, self.name becomes Ollie. And when we create Sarah, self.name becomes Sarah. This is why each object keeps its own data separately. Without self, Python would not know where to store the values.